Gosh, Spark, it's so exciting to visit the zoo today. I can't wait to visit all the different kinds of animals.
Yeah, animals are cool. I can't wait to see the lions and the elephants and the monkeys. We'll learn a lot today because I have a special map of the zoo that includes lots of different information about the animals.
Wow, this is awesome! A map that tells you the weight of each of the animals in the zoo.
Yeah, weights are cool. Hey, I wonder how they get all the animals to stand on a scale and get weighed.
I don't know, Spark. Maybe when you grow up, you can become a zookeeper and find out.
Yeah, that's what I want to be when I grow up, a zookeeper, so that I can learn how to weigh animals.
I have an idea. Let's compare the weights of each animal to look for animals with the same weights and animals that have different weights, and then look at each one, beginning with the one that weighs the least.
And each one after that until we find the one that weighs the greatest.
Great idea! So, after we compare the weights, we need to order their weights from the least number of pounds to the greatest number of pounds. Let's get started.
Do you know a good way to compare all these weights?
A place value chart can help you understand the value of numbers. I learned that in math class. Maybe we can get the math coach to teach us about place value.
That's right, Maria. A place value chart can help us compare the weights of the different animals. Spark, may I look at that map? Here's the chart of animal weights in pounds. Let's look at the weight of each animal in a place value chart. The value is the amount a number represents, and the place value is the value of a digit depending on its location in a number. The value of each digit depends on where it is in the place value chart. Looking at the digits in each place, I can see that the elephant is the only animal that has a digit in the 10,000s place. So, the elephant has the greatest weight. And the mole and the monkey are the only animals that don't have any digits in at least one of the three greatest places: the 10,000s place, the thousands place, or the hundreds place. So, the mole is the animal with the least weight.
Well, since the mole is the animal that weighs the least, that's where we'll visit first. And then we'll visit the monkeys.
And the elephant weighs the greatest. So, that is where we'll end our visit today.
So, we'll visit the mole first and the elephant last. Well, what about the rest of the animals?
Let's arrange all of the animals' weights on this number line, from least to greatest weight. Then we'll visit them in that order.
Help Spark and Maria plan their visit to the animals. Use your mouse to drag and drop each animal card to arrange the weights from least to greatest. When you finish, click Next to continue. just learned a little bit about place value and ordering numbers. Now, let's continue with the rest of the lesson, where you will learn more about place value. We'll also find the answer to the essential question, how can we use place value to help us read, write, compare, order, and round whole numbers? A place value chart shows the value of each digit in a number. The value is the amount a number represents. As you move from right to left, the value increases from the ones place to the tens place, to the hundreds place, to the thousands place, to the 10,000s place, and so on. Let's look at the digits in the number 46,209. You see there is a 0 in the number. 0 has no value, but it is used when writing numbers to hold a place. Now, let's look at the number 46,209 in the place value chart. Click Next to work with this number. Click the digit in the ones place to see its value. Click the digit in the tens place to see its value. Click the digit in the hundreds place to see its value. Okay, now let's look at some other numbers and their place values represented with base 10 blocks. We first click the New Number button. We see the number 235 represented by its place values and with base 10 blocks. Going from right to left, we see there are 5 ones which are represented by 5 unit blocks, 3 tens which are represented by 3 rods, and 2 hundreds represented by 2 flats. Now it's your turn. Click the New Number button to see new numbers represented with their place values and base 10 blocks. Click New Number as many times as you like, and then click Next to continue the lesson. Let's look at the number 35,468. Use your mouse to roll over each of the digits to see its place value. Then, click New Number to show place values for more numbers. Click New Number as many times as you want. Then, click Next to continue. We learned that we use a comma to separate the ones group from the thousands group. In the number 38,152, the digits 1, 5, and 2 are in the ones group. The ones, tens, and hundreds places are in the ones group. The digits 3 and 8 are in the thousands group. The thousands and 10,000s places are in the thousands group. The commas help us see the digits in each group. Word form is a way to write numbers using words only. Look at the number 35,692 written in word form. 35,692. Click the word form of the number 15,582. Click New Number to find place values for numbers using words. Then, click the box, type the number, and then click the Done. Click New Number as many times as you like to see place values for numbers using words. And then, click Next to continue. Standard form is a form that uses only digits to write a number. Let's look at the number 16,205 written in standard form. Expanded form is a way to write numbers by showing the value of each digit. This is an example of the standard form of a number using a place value chart to keep us organized. To write the number in an expanded form, we have to think about the place value of each digit in the number. 16,205 written in expanded form is the same as 1 10,000 plus 6 thousands plus 200 plus 0 tens plus 5 ones. Click the expanded form of the number 15,125. Click New Number to find place values using expanded form, then click the box, type the number, and then click the Done button. Click New Number as many times as you like, and then click Next to continue. When we round a whole number, we express it to the nearest 10, 100, thousands place, and so on. 5,462 to the nearest thousand is 5,000. Notice that all the digits to the right of the thousands place are zeros. Word form is a way to write numbers using words only. Digits are used to